While some of us can stay home, others still have to travel during the pandemic. So for those taking public transportation, following COVID-19 safety protocols is more important than ever. 13 Action News anchor Marissa Kinnison spoke with a local professor who's making sure all RTC riders know the rules.
Yeah, Kalina, we've been talking a little bit about something the experts are calling COVID fatigue or pandemic fatigue. And so the RTC came up with something to try to help their riders out. You stand there and I'll stand here. Tell me a little bit about this.
So there's several of these pieces in the plaza of the Bonneville station. Each one is actually 6 feet wide.
It's easy to see and a good reminder.
I wanted to create signage that was a bit more approachable, more friendly.
Ashley Dowdy teaches graphic design at UNLV, so she's used to using letters and graphics to convey a specific message. That's why she was asked to put together these art pieces at the Bonneville Transit Center, reminding riders to wear their masks and keep their distance.
Ashley came up with all of these signs that were more friendly, but they conveyed the good messages to our clientele at BTC.
The art focuses on COVID-19 safety protocols. Public transportation agencies across the country have faced challenges when it comes to providing an important service and also preventing the virus. So now, about 9 months into the pandemic, the RTC is using a different approach with messages like your nostrils are showing.
We're hoping that with softer messaging and lighthearted humor in the messaging, people will comply with the messages, social distancing and wearing simple face masks to limit the exposure of the virus.
For Dowdy, she says it's surreal to see her art displayed to thousands of riders with such an important message.
I've been told by the RTC team people are actually stopping and reading them, taking pictures with them, and so that's really great to see.
Now, if you do ride through the Bonneville Transit Center, you will see some of those art pieces. Don't forget, especially as you are making plans for this weekend, that the RTC has made several changes when it comes to their schedule because of the pandemic. So just check out what your route is before you take it. Marissa Kinnison, 13 Action News.
Marissa, thank you.